I can't get a drink in Harlan County. I can't get a drink and I don't know why.
Eleanora, baby, I do so love to learn about trains. Today we're talking about the Santa Fe Alco PA. 2,000 horsepower on that baby. Known for having a bulldog nose. And did you know that the PAs were more of passenger cars, but the FAs were more for freight? I know. It's fascinating. But one thing that we need to remember, whether we're talking about trains or we're talking about life in the pro wrestling business, is there's only one ticket to ride, and you're looking at him. Me, Midnight Billy B, baby. So if any wrestler, if any tag team wants a meal ticket today, if you want to take a ride to the top and hop on that Amtrak to success and hit up Billy Lee Barnes, baby. Midnight Billy B.